Let's make the stuffed butternut squash with pork. I'm going to get my butternut squashes, cut them lengthwise, and of course drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil before popping into the oven at 425 Fahrenheit degrees for 40 minutes. Let them cook, and while they're cooking, we're going to make our pork mince. I'm going to heat up my frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add my finely chopped onion, and then letting it cook for a couple of minutes before adding 1 pound of pork mince, and then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. We're going to mix all those ingredients together, let the pork cook, and of course we're going to add in our chopped apple, 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of dried cranberries, and then half a cup of walnuts. I'm going to cook all those ingredients together, mix them well, and once it's cooked, we're going to salt it and pepper it. I'm then going to stuff my butternut squashes with this pork mince once they're cooked, and we're going to broil in the oven for just 3 or 4 minutes. Before eating our beautiful stuffed butternut squashes, I'm going to add some parsley on top and enjoy. For more recipes like this, go to allnutritious.com, subscribe and like. Thank you.